even say launch in December 2024 ya na launch and May as a June why April why on my April why be out the big kakra but what there my chronology say be from 2000 whatever na binded than FA and no one vote will be added or be subtracted and I mean who say yeah na
3-day protest no yaw illegal mining calling on the president to declare state of emergency. What do you make of it?
I got me feel say a bit early kakra. Say yes, president send na okateche free fair ka say president at the certain bills be a parliament ama they also mo ye o ma ye they also mo yi free ho to say e-levy nominees and man quickly omo e de coin ma ye nti say so am pass president ni committed so be fight galamsey or says LI something
2462
or senka by now parliament aye ho adwuma
it is there but it is going through amendment the NDC's promise was a total repealing of it just a year before total abrogation of LI 2462
but akota sources so just say emra no ntimi nkonko yimfiri ho no mo holy sao
you have to amend
inti na omo ekoye na say there should be some amendment. There should be portions. Some portions na makwan ma utimi wura forest nim. Ekoko mine no. Ubeye free but the other side of it no. Omo fi say o say
and also so boa.
And it be e be boa ye kwan bi so. Into o say o.
And na manfo fi say one mo anchire mo abonte say portion bi boa.
Mo. So
but probably Abia the omo can it might hold water. But don't say yaw say me catch now say echina yaw me twa club.
Oh yes, I want that.
Na
Adeakye anopa no
Adeakye na bre no so na me catch so yaw. Kamikase me ma club I would je fanta echem the club aba. Do mama o bibi ba nya na na.
Yes, no correct.
So there
e bia na ma geji me fufu bia me de club na kwa kodi.
What ya say yaw.
Na
je ba sa na be wo abon aduana sa me nu.
Mo.
Eno sa say koku je say uko switch le koku sa pona
obem eno so di obem ana eze
on so obem ana ba mi tio
e di akota me dem fi say yes also mo demonstrate yes I see a chi aban na dwene so say galamsey fight no I say yabu ya ni aguso no still our forest ne say
it looks like people are saying galamsey now no has been even more than they did that na man for in the last year.
Yes akota
well, I've not seen videos. But call a form a rascal and they say right now it is embedded even with impunity. On one leg say party faithfuls within NDC now is here. Omodi omonsanu omonnan efom galamsey but abina 10 year deaf ear.
Media akota de me hu ya me yem se me eye soldiers na omoko was it dunkao. And Western regional chairman say Oma more no regional chairman na manie say Omo babe operation Western region ho no mo sa tano numri forest ne ade soja foti one ne boys abesi soja fo no kwan Emma like Omo makwan masoja akota me yem say me say
the soldiers could not act.
Yes, they could not act. Me yem say me pass hey see etimi be do this point here nani ade no ya ye hu me de me fi say yes parliament or recess o mo wa homegiem ni ade akota de mampani John Dramani Mahama ne minister for environment ne wa mo ka say there should o mo ya amendment ne hwan no akota immediately parliament resume a also mo ye ne tentem ye forest ne na hon twen yen
lawyer comment oboku jamfi chenkomo lawyer me mo ache Lawyer Clement Opoku Jamfimi Mwachio. Lawyer, good morning.
Oma, good morning.
Now, what pom to say?
Yamena do me ho ya elsewhere.
Now, and rana a show of lawyership and I say a show of legal team and I said then lawyer for akuku da ma mu kopi o se mu kota MPP echi no asa na mu do so do ade
oh say amenchi de ka amenchi ko amenchi Also, Tisu, Libya Boga, on the other end,
And a part of the oil, yeah, man, you want.
You hope Papa Kobe and make them on they need you home.
So, okay, as I tell was how old Jan.
Hey, yeah, that is a
Says a lawyer Baba Regina National Youth. National Youth Organizer.
Ah,
I know it's still on course. One can name you who says,
over Javi.
I could talk on National Youth Organizer.
CID.
Oh my,
And Ocrasia will call National Youth Organizer.
oh my, to see I can nominations. Say a bit.
Chiaoka class or Casani to chat. Hello.
Oh my, but what you mean?
Aha, wait a minute. You made a nomination to me and Casse.
But say,
Over contest. Okay. Then that's confirmed.
Boys, ne freno.
My answer, Buko Court on then buyer court now dismiss it. A year NDC legal team the cases are.
Oh my, my daughter say, who can be there in 2 minutes? You're not a and tell a bear and some nothing.
I'm not, I said you chat. But my answer from, why? Yes, my friend back now. MTN name, Vodafone, me and then send it.
And network no was down.
They say they are not a year before cry and say what friendly panel name should be. And now should be ebu faso.
Utimi kasa na fe Bruni na otefu no muso so agye no ato aso.
Honorable Clement.
Oh my.
Aha. My too.
I said you muda ho.
E da ho fine.
You know mud them.
My too.
Oh my pacho, my bag kaka.
Okay.
A year to December 2020. You took a year council at the park. Obuasi East. East, you know, collect results, you know, at the mass. A year NPP parliamentary days. A year, is for to you know, and the Munchi, now, I say, to be, you know, to be talk, chair, and also come. The home and I court, you know. They say, yes, you know, and with the of the and court. It's in and said, 50 and 5 no, to me found court. And you share the constituency East the power. You see, and call 24th December 2024. I'm in this account calculated no see January 2020. Now, you say NDC court within 20 days. One run yet presenting and no access section 2, 2, 3. One again, this is only to be so. 2 and 18 and to me, uncle. And so much secret. Also, much chanting 2 days. In that 2 days, your checks, yeah, that 22 days, 3 days. Yeah, check out at least we are incompetent. And they can be payment evidence to the validity of the petition.
My name is Tifo. We are not doing justice to it. Obi a otie no opani no abrante no church near mem ye pa but na the article kakra no kra no say na e was say Electoral Commission or gazette a results ni we are na what me dia court but I say NDC a lawyer for no di candidate aso mo de mo nkrata no call 15 January, and I was a swank, but they filed on the 24th. I said, like they filed earlier.
24th December.
Aye, Sunday at 12 and okay. And you know, Utien in some kind of what you say, Omoko court say the application is incompetent. Because your application is incompetent. Now I say, as a Nina, and your papa. Enimu ti omo tuntwene ete I want to believe say also mienu bi o ha omutimi e dey NPP for NDC for no meeting but the rest of two no entity the court realize say sa ne man ada no say e di komika say procedure is as good as your case. There have been so many instances procedurally, you know, lawyer no odi wasem ko no wan fa kwan no so say no say fa court no twakrata say we say ya no atogu at the time I won't come back mrani ade no na bi asem no aye basa David now refi ayi abrante yasemi jachi question yes on say based on certain procedures now omoma say want to mean co parliament because and these lawyers no file maybe on file you know they do not follow a due process of the law. There have been so many cases. Sir, dear ma, okay, the constitutionality or otherwise of the fast track high court. I bad baby, I want to for Australia. I want to call court my court judges need chair muno. Say Attorney General, I'm so on file where I'm from Sobio. And immediately over for by a quiet panel. Go appeals court more called G2 mono because now or share a car ball of some fast track high court no na omuchemwa computers just a comedy call a fact staff house worry of Australia or panel judges no crab appointee because appeals court too much.
Case we move from common judge, we move from common say a whole system. A true system. It's a court, a 2, court 2 na ekono, court 2 no, a judge assume no. You the lawyers don't determine judge our person will di assembly ma ne. Why na? As a kwabra ni bi akotena baby say. Me
judge. Yeah, my from lawyer Ivan Samankwa, the NDC legal team. Okay. Lawyer me marche. Now bomb to say. Me hoye pa. Lawyer na enra Kumasi High Court to say Masem no mo de be down manim say ahafano southwest oboasi is ahafano north no. Enimu sa ase omutimi overturn the Electoral Commission's verdict say we announced the 3 as MPP MPs. Now, Masam no did na court no can sa.
Yedi kai Omanhene with us ewo akwanya odi ama men ye document no be chia wa chief for the NDC ko nyina ewo asante bantam. Omanhene you could say court no ondi asemu. Lawyer
Mama just say substantive case na down court no ni. Na no ade MPP for no year so made nkunim na no gina de enso.
De de amu ye nyina na omo kira se on se o ye election petitioner. Ye wo sika bia otua to court. Na sika na e ko tua e no. Na omo kira se instead of say sikano you clear within 21 days, you know. A break could clear 1 day, Brosman, 22 days. And Untina court, you know, and then expect this petition because I don't say, one engineer in Tiasa Chicana has security for court within 21 days. And this a court, you know, a key was. As a million and Jomusian on Mono, and yesterday I couldn't get them. They want security for court, timeline. And no who say no more. There are some on but on the end, you didn't because you see, as a man, of course, you say everything. And the man, be a judge, not as a man, so be a court opportunity. But they are respecting. They are respecting judiciary, no.
Okay.
The option of appeal. Who are sure that option? Because then Transima what it is. Electoral Commission and declare Yenya Samabuaji as the winner of the election. Now, James and Franklin. And what Chinese decision, no, without notice to us, without our knowledge. No, actually, I could get that only passes that. Yan to Adaman or no, I get to the Lutua. What side thing sheet? I don't know if that matter in the person. Young Transit, I might have one of now, but not at West. Young go legit results. Electoral Commission going to be back at the point. James has been Goshen. And that's our quality results maybe clear will be with that. Abra, any interested parties. Or Sabbath to no one phrase. And no, any of them also have them. And yet that technicality. Because the court does not deal with trivialities on technical grounds. But we need to go into the merit of the case. Now, it's not what we need in judgment.
Now, I just said the option of appeal, no, you activate it.
Oh, activate and exploit to its fullness.
Okay. Lawyer Bansaman Kwamedasi. Okay. I said, no, was it? And some of the call you need. Name court no say, so file it election petitioner within 21 days. I was so what you seek. Now, almost the end 22. Court no said, and Brandon said 21 to what 12 some naturally. And was this MPP for now saying we see Uncle Mako too low. Mako holo na kunyaso. But law is law. And on a Chief Justice, suspended Chief Justice, Tokonu can say, you can't go beyond the law. Emrano say 21 days. So 21 days no enyanso ya. It is a parliament. Omayem rebidi akoto. There was Emrano ehome for 21 days. Sam rano hume. Now what they all say, I cut 3 hours. Now 21 days now so into wako touchina. Ebobogu. Incompetent. Yeah, watch it. Name now what to say? Bibi Aboko. You say. But until from future life.
Yo, you there already say or did that for a chain. Babu ne kan was say. Yeni de awurade aye momo maninye na munni ahurusie ewo mu enso nei enipa ni gie ewo fom enipa ni gie wo fom se yapom dene enkoyie ensem na yebebre yapom dene enkoyie enu nti ena ye kanfo aduane papa baako pe ede ama wo meche obi a woti e na no pen se awurade de da foforo ache yen eye future eye life da ache wonkwa ena wo bo ho ban da ache wonkwa ena wo bo ho ban no man hene wonim se me wo fa se baako ye frɛ na fie yemfu a ono maame am wako a o musu mutie o papa
be jo mo so do
yes nti ye fia ono maame am wako a o mu abu akwa o musu mo chia o pa na de America no se wapom de ne de me ho asem enchiam eya future eya life da ache wonkwa na sese wo bo ho ban eno de enyi obi na ebo ama wo eya wa asudi e dawo so wapom de your health is your own responsibility and you will be an ayama war a wa. The future life a aduane a yedie. Future life a aduane a yedie. na obebu sasa ye den a natural food supplement a natural food supplement I am fancy
just about humano so say be can feature. Hello, good morning. Good morning. I'm Mr. Kasa Titi. Good morning.
Good morning.
As you say,
Yanko Padmo.
Be a dynamic say. Na anope my intil Adansia Woma future life.
And the man say, sunset, your future life as I become his reading. There nothing in a village. Now you are Ginger Moja. And now Kukumina and Kukumina, here you are. My name is my shit to the buyer. Madame Shemia, we yield room, mamma, the room, mamma. The buyer 2 weeks now, Mr. Amquarish. One master. Okay, Mr. The call for that will be at 8. I hear now call ya. Oh, what told them to future life. More alarming. Oko Patasino. It's Okoha, but to go for the Benjamin said, Mutino, a biba, woman member. Now, about the other GB. The answer may have said, what I said 2 years time, never banner. About my new member. I already got a member banner. And now, what the old man number for Dredia, Hannah, how because I've been near me. Yeah, and said
the mammy says, Siano, Wapom Dinaba.
It's a promo diamba. You can't have the fat drop it and then midnight to come and be a seeing be a.
Oda. What to me that?
Come on.
Mr. Mammy, what doubt to me that? Say, I would doubt to me, damn boy.
But you made that park, and also no. Let me see, no Madame Pazzi, Jams, for the next so
and auto are now quite abofra. Oh, future life I be. Today, now catch there will be our tier one or pay.
And the American be answered. The woman said, never be found or twice, and say, the 200 big cocoa, 2 cents and a par, the cocoa 2 cents every minute. And then I am in. If you need any beer, I may start seeing now. I said, yes, and then back from your memory, and no man private singing a mere for night, singing the color, you know, so I
color Nasa.
Color, I come out to say the
yeah, say, okay,
yeah, yeah, say, send ya walking or buy and or say, no, you see, me dear dance here. Now, no, my shit to my basa, Miss, oh, mammy, I die. What's it here? My basa mean candy pang. So, oh, where do you be? Future life here, do you know woody? Was any woman be near? Yes, he said, me a name man. Now, what you mean, no, buy was, hey, Obia Samasa. Nams na wadi unhuni. Was me men me ade me
say obi adanse na ya de dimu
na obi ohun me bia asem asesa na da hina akoye ene ensem o kan de bebre na de me kamfo ama won say wo here future life de bia de me kamfo ni say oba wa fa ye frono oba wonyem aduane sese wodie kopem so obawo eye future life ade nwanwaso ba ko wo mu eye folic acid na ye de ne de eye natural aduane no munye manyina eye natural me say de akire nedi emu obi mu abem wami otie obi asema nka ebi anko mba emu obi mu abem ne bo nya den e bia baabi fo de na ne bo de na ye de ye aduane enya aduro ye ntoni aduro ye toni aduane ne ye de ma obedi na no pa awia ne wadi ukuro mo aduane anwumre ne wadi future life na sa woto aso a ne de life tonic aka ho dudo no life tonic ne de me se wanyira wo beto atobi ebabua wankasa eye dudo ankasa ene ye de mu wanom na me se wonom a dien every my kwanse ye mo yade ye bi edin na mo de enim ne se wo de aduane na wudie na de edan se wudie no wo men na sa pam yade efre ho enu nti ye wo repair food usisi ni ukotodwe waposo yankopon boy no bon so di gregre aka waposo no ho ni wo huna ansa nsuo bi so ka ho wodo nsa asi unaso asore wo de omanyi no bibini bia wo hunu Ghana ha wo de aya ahwe nipa dodo wo send wo mu na ya tene wetima catch so 90% obi ana ya chia fi say yen ya fa suban bi se wo sore a wodo nsa si unaso no asore na wo tena se a wodo nsa si unaso no atena se tie ni ye wo a wo sore a wodo nsa en esi wo kotodwe so asore wo se wo na no nti wo de aya ahwe bibini bia Ghana ni bi onam ha bia o sore no atena se a je se wo de ne saka ho bibini bia bo hunu Ghana ha bia se o tena se wo sore o ne nsa kosi ni kotodwe so adan o se wo kotodwe no na obakwa ye bema onuro bia ne ho ye de bema wa ebekọ enu nti me ma bonus net 2025 se onim se de bia odo sesi na so ene wa sore anase odo sesi ukotodwe so ene wa tena se a jai na wo sei ona no ukotodwe no gregero no ni nyina ekọ ni nyina nsuo no ba wi afri ho na wi fri ho a gregero etwi kase dia wo problem enu nti me de ba me wo repair food brana ma repair food de ase no be siesie ni nyina ma na obomu se wonan no aye kama enu fri ho a me wo beauty food na Omanhene obehia wo bie na optunu se yadamfo bi oba was eh madamfo bi hu me was eh mama Joyce na adan wo hwe nanim no as na adan ontimi nka de aka nsoso adan tira nanim anyiri agya ni mfie nanim anyiri na abeso ohunu so aye ahwe onsa achi wo dane onsa se ya aye ahwe onsa achi so ohun se apompro gusu aye pimpinis de a na che se wanyina agya wo mfie yes wo hia beauty food wa wanim anyiri asante kasa mi se dankate brane mo aduane ni na wanim nyina ntimi nsane enye saade a ya ebe se ye hu wo se ma me hu na was ma Joyce na adan
what's adan se was na adan
won timi ka dia se was onye bibia se enye bibia sai so ya de mani mi ntina na oh che se e ya de ahomete ye ti brane ma aduane a ubedi a ebe sane if you say collagen na Nyankopon digu ye nipadua mu no wo de asa eni ti se oba ne ya mo aduane a ubedie enne beboa wo e your future e your life na se wo koda na wanom life tonic me se se wo koda ubehia life tonic de ye dudo enu nti eye adura wo hura wo se ne we de ni dudo ankasa ubanom a na abon se wakoma aye kase ne ne manyina ajai ya tropiti o memu ba bia efiri nkran ya Ghana Telecom University opposite kumawu ya wo police station o maame no ton cement ne kono ho afei sunyane e wo university na clinic wo ho obuase e wo Central Market Mr. Ochre drugstore nchen ho takwan suayem e yo yerepa drugstore and afei Sanad Park enso ye takwa ya so ya kase de kumase Sofoli alignment interchange ne soro wa bra ne yemu oduane ni enne beboa wo no mas ne ye adwuma adwada edikosi memreda anopa no nwotwe ne fa ne ya pon anwumre no nsia no mas ne 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 and a number for 0242 87 80 90 future life here duane yankasa
future life okay
bye bye.
All right, you talk so hanmo na na ne eye honorable Clement opoku twetwe nkomo na fidie no na osi wotie lawyer Evans na official lawyer is not being truthful to the facts yenko ne kotie no honorable college oboku me chia view
o man pa cha me je osu bio pa
aha we de emuye na wadauma ose Evans lawyer Evans is not being factual with the issues. They are now okay.
Oh, my cousin is not being factual, Pacho. But the American said your reactions be my
okay.
Aha, they are two different words. Okay. The work council on the say. Lawyer Evans this now in 2012 see and next 2025 see our kepa but munchen yo same adu say or the kepa assembly NPP akoko dia MP and the court to say in here ana adu say I unim dey see say I never say MP what yes cannot na yetimi you know judge of asem no na bibinti na ne ho kani bi enti want me ansem no so ka ma pensam na ko yes kan enti ma 20 term and na so nye ya photo court ne ka say so I say you na bibi you to case no issue no ya bogu yentumi you on say advertisements for 2012 2016 Parliament and this and one I allow from the FM with president the actual pain the other name essay and I don't know now so now it's 2012 and the almost 20 lawyer I don't appear and I'm friend assembly and 21 days next year they come
Matthias, yes, sir. The same incident happened with Tepa. I do say for an hoodie. As I said, court no say and never be an was somewhere. No man yam and sipping to no bogui.
Exactly. We didn't even go into the substance.
That's right.
And then, and with the election position 21 days. Away, and then 18 train or 6 now with court to be or Chimuma. That's all. 2 days, 3 days, go away. Hey, me out to this case. If you come with 21 days no. So, Chiasikano before 17 days after the 20 days. It is just a woman. Now, what says? What I got you man so. And the center about 22 about 2 months old, it is time bound.
Okay.
And is it fundamental election petition here to know this? And I am surprised.
Okay. Yamfa si hana. Dr. Akwaba. Now I'm to say. Maybe I have a call. Okay. And I'll pay Yantwa Yankomos. Time with MA Scientific. And him found the agent.
So my your first time to jump on I find chance to move your and I see what Sompa on the pipe. Last week now you didn't come over 8 palori and your car now your car they be see the effect a war when the Peduano so. But I pay my yes this clarification before say me starting.
Okay.
On my 8 palori man cassette and then we are your Zamze among for Adeakye Abia or Mundi be or more than movie. You say,
sir. Some say H. Valerie and then we are here.
Once I couldn't be an area in the end of Bano.
afanachi my fam tokwa biama ejwala resanya nemu yare I was keys ni ade no
aha
I said near them
me ka se fi free na kwa to the ba
we no here keys no
everybody ba the doors
edi just obi fi say the ira go keys obi o age palori
ela wanya bi
oh we na ya
chance edidim abontin ho o free body contact bi
clarify say
nemu yare aha even though body fluid it be contain but body fluid no nya na kwa na enema no aha ehia bi free nyina aha na bi so wono ma oye wi ana ase ayesu osuro se wa konya sa ade ne bi especially omo a bia hu se osa ku bi da no ana bia obi hu stomach cancer da na ha wa ye no
any pain yeah
na the fact of the matter and say even though any probably munya sa mo no benya osa dachi but there's an amount of that number na almost naturally immune obi hono ma ne gases mucosa no are very strong say abo bi antimi penetrate and zango no osa oye din kra wonya osa enti obi hono mo say wanom and sadin sa be 50 years but still okay obi so benom just we are 2 months 3 months na ne mo si kro ban yam afi wotimi di na fon anu fon na ebiko no ebi mo mikosa no gastric one mikosa no strong say the be intimi penetrate enti sa okoye test say wo abo no bia enye death sentence ena enye nipa no nyina kra na ewo sa mo no bia later no benya osa o hwe odi die yi ehwe onema yi nro no anu no yi a because ano abo no ntumi embreki a ekrobia ntumi emayefo no ye beka sabo ho asama de bewie osa so but me ka ba kon so about medications a aya ayafa nipa no bi wono ma se okọ areas ni include to no a ye tuntun bi wo free senders a ye bo eyi amaman eyi ndida bi because amaman na ye den a se obi ka se bi kono maduro ewo sa duro no eyi aman ama wo sisimu amama wo minim ama wo trim amaman na ye den a ana wo no maduro no e de akoyi ye onu bi wo no mo a wo no mo akwa attack because ano irritation betimi abaye fo no mu eno bi wo no ma wo no ma directly no na line na ebeba be kata ye fo no so ama accident mi kan ye fo no na kwa attack sa de no most of times no na di yaman bebebe no e kwa attack sa de no enti most bi wo no ma ye fo no because obi anim ana say ketuwa bi ti asa ne ba pe na e korodi ye fo no ma no enti aduro bia ye ho no ma wo bi si bi kuku bi si mo emi ye me kono me koyi amaman na ya nom bo say so do na froth ahro bebre babonti bebre no na anigi aba no most of times no sa anuro no ye nuru a ko attack me because membre no na bo so afi enche na irritation asase ebam enche na dodo na eba no eso ate te fi ased ne ba se digestion mekoso a na anya kwan eka ye funu go ma no ano ye one people me ti wono ma na improper diet omo di ye
onidie
yes the time odidi aduane a wodi ene mra a wodi no ne nyina aye wrong
emoa
ti sa na papa we ya sorry say okodi banku na odiko bio yefu na no a later no kru betu abayefu no
oh no can you na mbu ha the all kind here
unse
sa no pa no
yes
ntima no pa ma no munsuo
excellent
kama
yes
be am abo bottles be mienu
excellent
me di banku an ha
no problem
ba am sorry ya ma pesi awie ma no munsuo
na the first year ko efu anabanku anaduana da just no edin no do yes ade
chemu ye na say
ya ode na we dey people be no be say no omo nso
that obi ano papa be sorry ya no tiawache ho
emwa ya funu da o say etwe ni mutini enso no koile enso no eka momo na akoile enti na obi onu nso anapa bia no onya constipation so ekoile a do no ntimi move yi na ma ayamtimi ayaba ba onu nso no pe ekobia nso no mu straight na fe emu ada ho for aduane bia obedi no and a good habit say be so say ebia early in the morning bonu nsuo anopa yes excellent no dey so we now so be dey no problem but say onum so na first ne banku fufu mutu ampesie wache a I was very careful because on na echo bie ye funu ano e time come no e betimi ama kru aba ye funu nti because ano enema attack no ebi na e ka ho asam obi so ho no ma na de na kwere say onidi oto anopa onum nsuo no hwe but obedu di ani se bia be 12:1 ye funu mi kada bia say se do ani enimu a ye funu mo na twe ni mu sei tem bia gase bi wo so no ye twe ni mu die nti aduane bo ano say e twe se aduane e wo mu a e twe aduane enye wo so no na twe the moment ya e twe bibia anim no na sine wo mu na asase edutu maako edutu maako time come no bon say tutu bebrebe na diffused na no so kura asase wo yefunu no enti omo a omo nidi no emwa nipadua at the same time we want more nidi na accommodate the pa no what the caffeine and as ascobic enema and ekobira no very dangerous
can
yes
so at least obitim say anopa no bi
oh yes obi ha because ma osana pon nidi aboba 10 ekona
na akotu ano
na kono the andi hu kra enkwala na edesa man so bi no akwala bi akwala mo dem ba me hwe no o no bi oni this drinks those one pana oni bibia wo yefunu mu at least onom fanta this we had one for no man
I say no
enti why yes we get the body ni and the age na en se ba bia do wonyare o
but so ntimi say oni nutrients na vitamins no
what I say o si bia na edu na enya sare ma nya frim
na no pakra e na doc ade we ye ntu awo fufu obu an e ba ko school bia o so the drink sha the bag
say any snack
dabi
only a snack
is a jakura don't mean the pie no museo
think the best snack no which mean the man ban fruit so what's the snack cash and bag him
and how pa blend it never good na yi ni mo ma no
omo nyina little bottle bia
omo bottle and power blend it ayi
watermelon
say banana watermelon anka what they are no
yes
it's the bia no okoyi ni pie and biscuit or the nom
natural
anka
not enough
but too much
yes
akwala no show akwala go am drink at say
one no we dey
no woni se munu akwa
but we say no so adan chichire
nanka flavor akwala ke to bebre are growing with diabetes
the woman so be no either say ko ndie mana say so ka no nso le no ntumi emma bebre ti sa enema we nyina no we ya emma efuru no ekuro tumi be
that's right
cafe nyema no ye nyema of late assign aba bebre enema cafe wo no sometimes obi di ana say o say obi but ade bi abato abaka ho cafe wo mu abeka che so ho ene nyema na gas wo bebrebe no so woni di ya ye mfasa nyema no
to save your stomach
yes so woni di ya ye mfasa nti obi wo no meka obi a so answer we odi bi de but unu kwankwa no fa so di ne di e bi o me ansa na wanom sa de hana akoboa ma digestion akoso
so wanya base
aduane wo yafunu mu I was a digest they will not call you acid no na amana intentem but wo de na bibia na yafunu mu acid bi no na ekosia before so from base no na corrosion not take place e kru na chance o yafunu mu ano no afro mu amu di if binge obi odidi be heavy like animal koda mizinsa na o so say bia commander na do odi heavy pa efufu no da koda efufu no odi a odi fufu ni heavy
so tie
bia obi e mo di jobe ba ko bi we be 3-4 ono ko a
kenke 4 na obi e di 1
yes oni so wa mia mana bro so
o ti so ho me anyi
amane ma 2 pen was adi ni 1 aduane no end digest we afunu na pro yem
che aduane ne bro so sa o yem a
digestion
intimate digest
yes
e pro
sabi na e ma bontin o
e ka o yem
yes na so e obi ni de ye kwa de ye kwa operation ni ko pa na so ne ko yi sare man free mu akeki aye de sebo there's no prosthesis e de ntimi moving ko e kwa surgery ni twa nso no ye force aduane free mu
as ya twi
na e de sebo pepe ebo pepe
ya ka wona yem
yes
adane bo
a stay sa apake sa na fe anya kwa de send into the colon e ba colon mu na ntimi movie he say ya adru obefa for do say de ma odi agwa tin so no nti ko twa yefunu ne apan so no mu ye me se ebi wo hu ade se ebo pepepepep eno eya ade ba akwa betimi ase
tususu didi
yes se aduane kra ewo spice kra de wase no kra
ye the spices na ye
mako pese mako pese spice bia wo capsaicin mako de no e chain every spice
na ye so de ye de makom na makonim na makonim
capsaicin na
wo to aduane asate mako aguso
yes e aduane mu aman e aduane tra e che wo you pa hwade we fa ka do to aduane na fa mako bebre to aduane mu de wodi mako bebre ba opupu an ne to yesi no but wodi akaru no to yesi no because of capsaicin na o mako ndia
to di mako atimi pie oto na oto hye
what I say
ba keke do no to hye
ba kan ko bia mu kra sisi chen mako
no kra so
but wodi mako automa yesi o because of say e wadina amaduane tin afunu mu che
na so didi na wo pese wadiane tan wo cha di mako
yeah mo say e che wo afunu mu a
na no so enye
that just no
mako ye di adok say why
o cancel obi wona o mai Mr. Mako betimi me nti obia bibia da o
mako ni wa
point do say e ha wa hu abujai but Mako customer oh my kura there's nothing in pepper in terms of nutrient except capsaicin sa capsaicin americano
capsaicin
yes any nutrient do e maduane ten afuru mu tekeke eno ano but say be a vitamin way protein way
be a menya vitamin bo onion
yes
lemon vitamin C
last na make okro say e follow it be
nkruma de no
be as any mokum
spice keke
yes keke say be so no bi won ma wan
ti sai na ebia abofron ne ade hwi ni meko na me pemeko
ara mako obi ma onu kwa na yen kwa be ma ko onu kwa no kwa wo use mako 50 wo kan 1 2 3 mako sa 50 na wo twi from mako no na me se ehu na wo ben mako nkwan na wonim sise
okay ya basi ya dasa ya to aso ya breda
ya kwa njem de eba monte ho sise no ya funu mu e ben kisi ase no ti se ya ne kura ase wo ya funu nti mi so nyambo next week no e be go into details osa na kasa de be ya funu na wahwe but se bi sha wo ho a na wo to na mo no aba na ya hwe e de ama na control diet no you too for na otia because my mo odro bia nyame adoma no betima ko ya de bia how bia no e mari ho no brane mfa wo mfam na enche bia ya de no wo nyempa mo odro mfam ho ya wo ba ko de take cholesterol a ya ntwi moja won sada so keke na etwamfoni ewo moja ne mu moja aboto moja ada fia wo mu ni nyana akire na pa ho odro e de ama yo ba ko so won ma de nane cloth no sa ne mo ni nyina kumasi ande yo atwoma tachimai kwada so ohwimase of wase contempo no so na enkranfo no so mbesi o se jonso a mo kodome amen stand be ko no number 0277
0277
00
00
1234
1234
0277
0277
00
00
1234
1234
and 0241
0241
36 73 49 0241 36 73 49 yes ya
allow sharifi doc nyame sha me kan okay ya no achia papa mama let me go okay ya to jumade no so e wa hanomo na anopa ya the video bi kire mo eye abronye ene eye Kennedy akompreko yeni kan hwe ni anopa etie ye no. There's another video they smoke the peace pipe so nicely but yen hwe ensama ekoso ni abronye kan ya enutima Kennedy akompreko Japan so react here. Let's hear it.
Arrogance and the dear duru baby a yeduri raging ha mo say me two me nine ko single constituency akọ kachiro obi say yento abama candidate bi mu wuye mo amene mo tena da mo kura di mo say me fro obi say to abama particular candidate but the binum de me din call ye campaign wie ye no omo wie ye no ma konkran abronya no na agi Baumia campaign ayere ba no kura ne se omo ba mo ho campaign omo se abronya na soma mo omo se abronya na soma se ye meye campaign ko meboa eyese mo di ho adanse ye se ma miama no amfro obia sa nkrofo no so omo ye sa di medin ba ayero ekina omo be ba mo ho but this time no omaye ma me buafu na mom mo obi nkodi obi atem ukodi do obi atem wie na so wie a wo se yankoye a unity I mean say unity no eye ayi mo ana mo kreti Professor Makwe report o se ye kwa abato a ensema ye ka no eno na na no andisifo ye den eyusutie na mom wo ye propaganda na obi be yi ano dia entna social media say who didn't panatem now we are wabakasa memfa wadamfo
media. I'm telling you the truth. Obia onye beman obia but party nti enipa bi tumi kasa te so omo member a back contributions in Yisika omo tumi be mu kosesere and they talk as if the whole world is for them. It's not for them. And yet like some of them cannot even speak the way they speak. Because bam fie kura wo fadi ebi mo ya podcast ma wo mo on ba ron be too long. You see ya panokura mom yanka I will not respect you but may respond to anybody and yes I can show down anybody akuma wosoro ekasa ya pe memo party no dia nkomo ya ma Minisa was that means Lessica. More here for promotion to be Kasako Kudroso, near Sika. Please, who born dog? Come back to your cocoa anyhow. Who born dog? Arrogance. And the dear group.
Okay. Auntie, there's a video. I actually say, Munina Shai, no Mudin Como. Na ba o me kasa ntino oni no kasa o mu nyina bibia o magwa chia o mo ho enti in the end I don't think there is any ayibia Dr. Mahmoud Baumia sorts them say o mu nyina kamom and then I think what you are seeing on TV no actually say one more crowd ya tum say kasa course Kennedy no ne ade ni Baumia ayamasi ahe they do mu ye nyina so to some extent I say what would you show me? How would you show me? We are and Tiasia Juma, Romina Cabum, Kennedy near Bronya, and Omunina about me. I mean, I don't think there is any serious issues, but words have been spoken. How people take it, no, another thing altogether. But I think they've smoked the peace pipe, so we can move on. Now, Jabin Rabank, one more day, I want to so pa fix deposit aba. High interest rate, 100% secured, no risk. What the other answer says, so be fixed deposit. No need to maybe grant say we have seen. Over to me, you should fix deposit as a collateral for loan. No market volatility na interest rate cost on away and inflation cost on to sika no yet. Bra, the sika button the cassia no yet me no negotiating rate a ope. Yet the Obapa loan scheme apa. And also so a man would come home namumra, near summer senate, no guarantor, flexible terms of payment. Yes, our moratorium of a month, and son and next month no what you meant at year. Small and medium enterprises, so your boa mama, it's me mamma, bossia mamma to be ditchuma. You are just so born you jabbing, etimetim on me. Roman Hill magazine sepetim poem from a sa and a addition. For 0271409340. Na bibianko so 0271409340. 21st clinic asupetia. Chese obo modern pa kupi onoma. State of the art machines. Massage, scan, lab, everything is available. Yatrasi ena mfiebe du ya nhwehwemu hu se. Oto ase entine sawana kopemu na entine no. Brony friend of sciatic nerve na etimi yetitriti etimi tutu na wakonya yare friend of sciatica ano na ya mfiemu an ye hunu se ya nya bibidro kan ebetimi de asaya de no eti wo de oba enko ba bia so obi ka kiro se na 21st clinic shas so ka sciatica once of e go be obi say o me the sciatica there sciatica debi. The name is 21st clinic sciatica expert. Give us a call 0540 311 311. You want to Chiman in Kranza Sunyane and kind Domi Market or Boise Council Quarters called Junction. If you are overseas, Tabraka, a Dynamuna Yawa, Sompa Yedi Juma, Fred 0540311311. Of a 3A Herbal Center. Subway Space, Pals, Coco Namu, and I am Tim there. When you 3 eco capsules are what to Afriho. But what now say calling a Dania Pidank Embassy, or I could pay be at top. No. 3 eco capsules, then you cook on free so. Now I do not check. Number near 0546 107 107. Mammy, Empire Yenkai boy in Chem. Now to Sribo Tosumi and near Jabin. Now Cosia a chair ma or Tosso nine Jabin him. Now that ya chair more Tosumi, no. Muramurahine, a corner busia penny, Muramura and Asante Jabin. See why I appear. What for come here to hine ya uncle? Or bring pound and apple, Sawansa, him I hine. Or penny ya mensa, ja. Mr. Nikwe, editor. Nikwe, edifor. Or a year, widower, a bema or passoa, wo you kuna. And the ma, oba penny across upon jabbing. Mr. Ernest Che Boating and Che family. Or you might draw the Kua, see your beauty queen. Kumasi, Honorable Kofi Brako, former Tema Central MP, and Che family, Tema, Accra. Mr. and Mrs. Adubofor, We Too Seafood, Tema. Honorable Dr. and Mrs. Kwabena IV, former Minister of Finance, and Dr. and Mrs. Genesis Boakye, CEO Anita Hotel, and just so. As I am found to my name, say, Oba Hima and Equia from Poma, and Muramra Hima, wa Kone Krechi. Oba Penia Kwekra, and Tinyami Adoma. Anyway, could see UGMC, University of Ghana Medical Center and Kind, on the 16th of October 2024. Now, Momo de Tumpem Yawada, 8 May, no Sia, I copim no num, na anajo. Burial service no 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Laying in state on Thursday, 8 May, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. And a burial service no so 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Na one more stress opesa okohwe na ni achi a enumere ehyasia no num na chese ye mo bia mehwe ne bia wo fiada no enti from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. fiada no wodampemu no bibia be koso na private installation of the new Queen Mother Friday 9th May 2025 from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Pepacho yensha neso ya wada no ye de ne tompem na ya hwe na obese okohwe no bia nonum ya wada no from nondu ekopem nonum nemo private installation of the new Queen Mother fiada no 9 a.m. to 11 mramura asante achim ebenkwa upraso na final funeral rites ne de mramura hima na yie no eba so memneda na kwasiada mramura ha o my Thanksgiving service at the 11th May family gathering ebeye awia don kokopim no nsia kwasiada no Nanama sewa che otosumienu mramura hima ena nchi seyeni nyina no ekoso esremo a na akua frempoma ene wo mu nyina aka ho ema no de NSC Nanama sewa che adwoa siga boache USA adwoa kwadu Margaret Chebonsu Joy Che enkan Gladys Che Nana Asami Che Mrs. Monica Free Sian Joseph Atache London Josephine Atache in Kai Akwasi Esuakon Kumase Mark Che Pache Kumase Joyce Tawia Che USA Mary Nana Sewa Che Nana Tonsu Sompahine Dennis Che Urana Dr. Genesi Boakye Anita Hotel Ejoso PKH Frimpong Kumasi Doris Che Mame Nkoko Francis Che Germany Michael Che Onoso Kone Krechi Equia Che Cape Coast Kwabena Dia Che Onoso Kone Krechi Georgina Che Germany Mercy Che Kwa Che Germany Tiwa Che Anita Ukraine Mr. Neo Kwe editor Omunyina Che for Nina Kaho Mami kwa homa so. Nana Boakye ya mwache.
Yaso Omanhene openi mejo so.
Na ubom to say.
Na mi anda mo bibia boko.
Okay. Eje for na reform the national organizer New Patriotic Party Nana B. Wono eno de krata abre yen. E ma ensam nyina na muhunu de muhunu. Say wo mo ye thank you talk. Nana B enra so far make us say Marco Regents say more baako anambienu anambiensa na ewia ye di nura nkomo agentre ha ewo social media ne radio ni TV so say now more you know thank you to no ya be dane thank you war wadaroma mo sha ase no say
Oh, nyamia daroma esase na no me da from Western region and you about Western North near Hafo and na near share bonwase and now pay baby bono near the Iraq.
Yes, I do me dim by yero. Etna on beba mo.
And your bride declinia. Ya to a baby you to an amount say you be call in penny for share campaign so my our region any constituency na ya da o masi. E brebia e beto baby you see baby new see be lose yeah. The fact that feed you kwampo de such a year be mu ne say afibia na ya nanka presidential candidate no ono kwa na ya na bia nkoko na party for kakaka no but I feel the national party but national council kwa the national party ne flag bearer and na yes I invite even presidential aspirants kwa as aka ho chi ayonko I am not surprised and he shouldn't look. This is a party we have gone through. To be fair, to be candid, we have gone through a humiliating defeat. It is a boy proceed now. And but NRD even coming from NRD is between Honorable Kennedy and Abonyedi. I've seen the footage. It was beautiful. We
just showed the footage. Yeah, the footage now to us is here.
Yes. Omanhene says some of these things I expected. Right, but in fact, we must face these realities now. It is a opinion, but I can say. Could over on the papa mwanka.
The crowd have said, "Come, Monchin chance to kakra." Now,
Yaddring back or cry. Yaddring back or cry. And in some, here, Sate, Western region. Your own be issues, your own be near you, and you could be Western North, and you be half. And Enra, half of this is a anti BBR. Western North, I think, DNC. In fact, no crowd there. Western region, and now, on my dear children, you and told you sensational matter. If we talk about if you go up on now, you are Kennedy frame, no, see. In fact, yet a cacao, talk about it. It's yet when you can hear Moses. A break could do bogos, then so told me a doom light, your brepa. You do have non pantana, I know can frame a cat and say, look. And I am not a programs in which so they so crowded to and find a bit to book also. Honorable Kennedy is somebody who speaks with justice. We will be opening up to Jack. Will be baby, I will carry him who a trap, BB is a keke. Not the quacker to Facebook said, Honorable Kennedy advertising and a be never. He never issued any single threat. Not yet, the caption of a to nice sensational. Then out of nowhere, somebody also put up pure fabrication, pure lie, with no substance. Said, "Many honorable Opariansa any problem epukra watren and sakrampo womiso.
Yes, so I should do that. Yes, Opariansa should assume.
Oh, and Kasumokra Bakran go back and be grand or some for Bosh. And I'm going for the JD. Sanjamena, Ebenisho share. We be Cassia Mira the Camiso Canada Mesa. One yes, I don't mean yes, I that. No, because you see, do you know what happened? One years I video no debate to out say honorable Kennedy air threatening me now or aggressive near the other. Then supporters of honorable Kennedy also felt that they must also retaliate. Can you get to my point?
Okay.
It's almost probably been back to somebody back to almost time our honorable appearance and me has a problem honorable Kennedy FM in all console me. Do I look at that? It means someone would be a children so. They are the cause of all of these things. I'm telling you, because honorable Kennedy Nami na sembia no hono ma waka etia omampani abechedida dada. In fact, it's been peaceful, unity, and kind of humble, and one year some waka. You're about me and some can be a etia Kennedy. It's almost a direction, and they would twist things. Look, Yanami, you're about me on blame me, say, and only will blame you beyond on or say, Yabai. Our government, and this is something that is known. Me, I am on record to have criticized a year on e-levy, emission tax, betting tax. My general secretary, my boss, he is on record to have called for a reshuffle. Omanhene.
No correct.
It's the way I say my day in my but yeah, a more would get any behind a bed twist and say, hey, or the blame name man for phone way in. It is not true. Or references say, our government did this, did that, and this is something that is known. It's not Opio woman be no dear Chini be a bet 10 years, and I will blame you, but not himself. It is not nice, it is not fair. To me, someone would dear Chini and Gee, no quite an American, I think, a bear compound to do a grandpa, and castle, excuse media, and you'll be out. If that is what they are going to do, if this misreportage and it's most unfortunate. They are the people of Moko.
As Abufi said, going forward, sir, people are going to twist issues. You will do an in-camera discussion with your party faithfuls.
Oh yes, I think it is allowed. I've told General Secretary. Say General, you're careful. If say media, but any we are near addressing media now. If you meeting, you will be there. Then you are addressing media. Know what happened. I say I allow for my banner to be in the phone. You allow the movie and once I got twist yourself. Baby.
Mo back Kumasi dabe.
And any be rock Kumasi.
And the
first meeting. Nice. And you read true vine.
At the meeting about all true vine and you re.
Aye.
Now no beer to be baby are now a selected few.
Oh, there be a year. Yeah, meetings no in two foods. Yeah, regional meetings.
Okay.
Near that region for now, so much campaign so much region. You know, I don't know regional executives, regional campaign team members, communicators, council of elders, patrons near Shell near that. If we are not here constituency meeting near Domo so much campaign also at the Amayan our constituency. The constituency executives, the 2024 campaign team, council of elders, patrons. Yes, yeah, almost now. Yeah,
okay, Tiana had 2 falls. Asante region, how many days?
Asante region, 3 days. And it's not Thursday in the baby.
Now, the money actually the other region. Bono East,
Savannah region, Upper West, Upper East, Northeast, Northern region, near Forest Uti, near Babuta. Near the Takra, near Eastern region, near Kuriwa Central region.
Oh, okay. As by the end of, let's say, the middle of May, the number will be our baby.
First week in May.
Now, what are Romao?
No, first week in June.
First week in June. What are Romao? You're Michael Quay reports now on the Amamono. Are you going to make it public? Is that a decision of the National Executive to announce a private document, Emamo?
Oh, we will make aspects of it public. In fact, General Secretary statement about in fact, is your custodian of the report, the national chairman and the general secretary. It's almost so much part of when we say paper, this one better.
Now the be musu
general secretary there, why I say as an year, all treasures will be we and our catastrophe will be so now, what anyway they see.
Lawyer Nabachi.
Yes, sir.
And no, Abronje, because I was saying, Michael Quay report to say, Omukwa Bontino, dear Obunya and say, Omuko Tuaba, and someone Nipa Nibiwa party no Mukano, and no opposition to you. No, be a woman who be there, then will go to Michael Quay report.
Yes, sir. Who's the honorable Michael Quay by an Oma summary? They are all presenting reporting at National Council. Obo Nemani Biso, the Biomoko, how the constituted team, Omo constituency now, no highlighting Senibia party from the kind. So out of it, Nania, Abronya Ekano, and Ana Ebum. And that is why I'll make you reference. But yes, Abronya report, no. You're my cookie, Emma Sunday, no, Emma reports, no, and or capture no.
Oh, okay.
Generally, no, and to see any party for kasa say, okay. For that, now, in free, and yes, when you report to your kind.
There's no making a general remarks, no, appear.
Exactly.
Okay. Now, Pacho, one social media, page 66. Yes, sir, Mark, man. Now, page 66, no,
no question, Omo report, so they will try to create their own here. For some time now, I die out because I'm because now they are on African report. But there are some recommendations there. We will make it public. In fact, they're not taking to Kanami, and so many people come back. But you'll be putting it together by the time one best thing is not formally, no, will make it public. Say A, B, C, D are the recommendations. For the recommendations, dear, we will make quite a number of it public. If you are Yamano and Betuja, if you are Yamano Betuja.
Sesi Alamontu Amuti, Mobile Santa region, no near dinner. Mujidi said, Mube, we know what to make a healy as a party.
Yes, in fact, all that is happening is part of the healing process. Because it is better you confront the realities now than so very later. All that we are doing, it is, in fact, I'm even happy. Say, you about me and na maybe Obia Akabia, Yura, can discuss on also community. They are sharing the same platform. People are seeing that Menyaji, a messenger, I'm not here for you on a solid. I'm not here for you about me on a solid. So it is all part of it for the party people to see these two leading contenders, no, are very important. And I'm also happy a mediation Kwan Yura can Edema Yura Baumia. Or addressing now the mediation Kwan or the manual. For me, yes, an American say 1 or 2 issues are expected. But this is an important exercise. That is why Maka said I disagree with the respected elder of our party, Ira Boakye, and
no, say you should tread cautiously because as I didn't know a agency more, Ashanti region is volatile. I we are now bomb be able to near the how you handling that from Ashanti region being the stronghold of the party.
Be okay because who just was say and na make say moving forward say ebia omo twisting semono na me makatije na say any excuse media no you are then we address the media outside.
Okay,
that is what I have proposed to general because omo na twisting semono
nana watch it for me mama fansia yeah be mama kwaba
Omanhene.
Yes sir.
I mean, the save the judiciary demonstration about so fit. Monday, yes. Omanhene say nya ya nsori a. Yura Muhammad Ghana ya nton ama no, ya mo no donko mi amfa ama no. it is so sad how a democratically elected leader is turning out to become a constitutional tyrant and a dictator. Bia yakoto abama wa eni wa unko for the domano na chief justice be clear no you are near clear electoral commission. Omanhene, I can tell you the electoral commission for petition and so that train. Electoral commission you be so muyi the men's and deputies na and also honor. You receive ketiaka. Na abia who woman say now no Trump US or hinting go for so nya term obeko am go for bu fu no. E sa adwen po na bi na we Yero Mohammed. Yero Mohammed ni say oba referendum say ye be sesa Ghana constitution no. Na yamana kotete ma enyi Ghana for NTS. So he wants to have control over the judiciary so that he will sponsor a judicial interpretation of the constitution. Say Article 62. Actually, say Obia beko 2 terms also 2 terms would be boom. Satisfy the 2 terms no. As a would 1 term we na in fin na nango kufado should be in 8 years we now also aba. You have the opportunity to seek for another election to make sure say winner.
Is it not too far fetched a thing I walk? So my parents, your mama be pese. Yeah, Ghana for some man international in fear 9 view.
I'm telling you, all being in the Huntia. I'm telling you.
So what do you fear 9 view no? Or say constitution no entrance interpretation is Article 62 no 8 years and your 4-year term. It is a BBC the choir. I was say someone to us with you.
I'm telling you.
That be as okay they are nodding.
Yes.
So my penny your mama needs to adi hunu so be so say the Ghana should be after the 4-year term.
In fact, this intelligence we got it from the NDC. Because NDC for only be any MP because it been so ambition. So they are not happy with it.
That is Ghana
no person with you.
They are to tell one money more etimidik and to kwani niema bay. Minya sure so my pen your mama besa.
They say and no and the one adwin. This year I can say no question. You are Abin Babi, Untimin Kanasem. Say on one as sponsor and say on Banco Speaker. The CIA acting chief justice was ultimate canasem. I didn't hear he has benefited from the actions of the president.
Money.
Yes. He has benefited from the actions of the president by suspending Mamito Kunono. Onona Babaye acting chief justice. Say.
Just on who did you?
Yes, and the year on one of the year so no Yero Mahama Baya and one punching say Ghana prisons in na on a penny, Director General.
Bafo Bonnie, you know.
Nigeria. Oh, now Mahama Bana saying one punching. So on one by Yero Mahama actions by acting chief justice. And then who can he Nigeria and so no Yero Mahama power no say on the prisons.
Director of prisons.
Director General of Ghana prisons. And to see a panel, get that panel by you about money between accounts. What do you go on? You have benefited from the actions of the president, so you can't say anything.
Hey, and I have something I can't
see. That is the danger. Yes. I don't know.
So, is it you when you said the bear? Judicial interpretation in the Basse, Bebao. Article 62 no chere say so we man penina 8-year term no 4-year term bia no say bibi be si kwan na wantima ani anto aso a wo saba omon ka say constitution ma kwan so obetima di 8 years abom
sapa pepe o my what's happening so there should
na yes onon kwan no na yes onon kwan na basa watra o man no so 12 years oh how I don't think Omanhene Yaw mama was arguing no Ghana for because it will be chaotic. I foresee chaos. Even civil society organizations a lot. MPP someone you will rise up. There will be demonstrations here. Now why would he want to leave a country like this?
Yes. Oh, I'm missing. Have you on tomorrow? Me say adwen a e woni timo
adwen we dey na enya adwen pa. Well, maybe you won't woka and maybe I won't wo intel. I don't have it, but I find it very difficult to come to terms to agree with you. Say, my parent, your mama, but pese, obedi another 8-year term. Ewo Ghana ha. Abra onwa nim se osim fie 9 wo.
Ari Omanhene, that some are making. That is the intelligence picked. And I'm telling you, sad, you know. In fact, there are some people in the NDC who think, say, success tied to President Mahama. And the first 4 years, now, 8 years about there. This year, Okaka, when it's 4 years, yabo. And the impact will be faster than 8 years. I'm telling you.
Whoa. So
they will sponsor such a weird interpretation of the Constitution. And that is why all of us must rise up. Look, this attack on the judiciary is needless. From 1992, Omanhene, we have never suspended any chief justice before. There have been several petitions. We have never suspended any chief justice. And now that that's why Omanhene chief justice or no, and administer a justice. And when you bow, so I say you're suspending young 5 weeks in the army, young country. You're suspending just like that. Say, and yet, petition need the PI who ya, Obi say, Mako court, not he does a casamanim, into no, ACP could be, Wakasamanim, and will detain him, to detain him into no, or you're incompetent. How?
Also, a Casamanim.
Yep. Wakasa or no ACP are cool with him. Emma, or may you remove uniform. And you could detain him for 2 hours. And for that matter, no, Chief Justice is incompetent. You know,
That's how we say Chief Justice. The woman was lenient. It should have caused you for contempt.
Exactly. You know, I'm not a kind of petition. But I want to say, Chief Justice, you have from your market about court on the issue of a brass speaker, it declares on 4 seats vacant, you know. Supreme Court, they may keep pronouncement of the matter without hearing from the speaker. And for that matter, no one natural justice and Yajuba. And you know, are incompetent. How? Now, Oko Court, Crowder say, Obon, you be Bishop's officer, Marano Crown Court, Judge and Fan Yajuma. What do? You go for an appeal. The Supreme Court, you go for review.
Judicial review.
That is what you do. Yes. I don't know where. It did not see there any part 5 at times. Now also be on natural justice and argument on no pay and then any all the justice of the Supreme Court on what time meanwhile they have a travel policy that was put together in 2010 2019 on Monday, and everything the travels is regulated by the travel policy and you on sign check or you know who someone you did not swear. You think to Mamma Bedu say now, who said, I dream put the type baby. I will say careful. When I'm telling you, so what is coming is dangerous. You cannot set me and Kasa, you bear one, then you Mahama will have unfettered control over the judiciary, over the legislature. And again, and that is where all of us must rise up. Electoral Commission and to deputy senior if we don't speak out, if we are not careful, until Mr. Ghana need the answer, we are cardiana. Then you document change the council side document. I bet demonstration document. Then transit also we have to peer.
Henry Nana Boakye, lawyer, you better see. You better hear when you move back. Okay. Lawyer Nana Boakye. Social media more remo na I personally am finding it hard to come to terms with it. The president will want a judiciary that he can control. Now, Omode, Article 62, I call for interpretation. No sponsor nipa bi no make say oh an interpretation of Article 62 nature say you can say president bet me 2 terms each 4 years now. Odiba akonesi etu na de esu no koba wo se esama no tena so na asakodi enti we no na chese mebuso o se 4 years ni du no tena so no lusu a na ahye agu obetuma saba be di another 4 years na wasako 8 years asembedi na be asem no kana no ya me den but well anyway time about Mr. ma 3D ntra so sa emwa bomodena say obetimi enya time herbal mixture na wabobɔ na ayi malaria na free ona HH no nso so time HH no ama nkomoa no ho ayɛ den nti wo yare ya no no madura na wona wosene no opendo so port 0244 417 669 twitwiri wo si ye abra wo use Yaw toothpaste and Yaw toothbrush ye wo total care toothpaste whitening toothpaste and a herbal toothpaste ukodwa so a busa na brushes so papa kiddies you know ewo ho and your prince princess monarch and duke duchess ni nyina wo ho Dawood say wonya 360 capsules Dawood no ono nom na wonya ointment na eho tutuo joint pains muscle pains ni pains ni nyina ebe free ho bomodo no say wo benya Dawood ointment and it Dawood 360 capsules 0244 886437 Kajin and Magic drinking water alkaline water 8.5 pH. I just say calcium, magnesium, potassium, oba de nuane a ewo nsuo mu no ewom etunuma etumi bo ho ban e ma won wrinkle that be are looking fresh with the dear heartburns free or you'll be all problems it helps your organs heart, liver, kidney, makes it strong. At Bremen UGC Tafuni Road Abawa Route to Johnson 0241 449191 0241 449191 Ash Foam is your one-stop shop when it comes to home soft furnishings. So quality mattress, power bed, that's why a exercise your body, now massage your body, no. Now I'm when you're refreshing sleep, Ash Foam. A perfect pillow that supports your neck. On sorry, na Madame Conso, and I'm doing me chili bremo, me muscles, me who to me Ash Foam. Ash Foam bed liners combined with unique variety of soft and supple thread cotton. And yawo ho de me chew no. When you Ash Foam da. O sorry so ho den. O so da ye pa. The Ash Foam best will catch you nyina and say when it comes to beds and mattresses, pillows, bed liners, mattress tops, duvets, curtains, towels, any mattress protectors Ash Foam. Frey 055 65 79 214 055 65 79214. You can visit our showrooms at the Kumasi Mall, Santasi, Tafo, Ahojo, LG Mall, main office, or Melody showrooms at Kasi, or any Ash Foam depots located near you. Bomodina, be mindful of internet fraudsters. Na enkoyese Ash Foam, and na me koto e na nkofobi bebu. Bomodina shane so. Say Ash Foam superior beddings. And there, Mrs. Joyce or says CB. Assemblywoman, Chirasi Electoral Area, if you just Abia South. Mrs. Joyce, or says you be Assemblywoman, or what? Chirasi Electoral Area. Are they in the picture, man? Abia South, Kronoma. Now, but on the picture, in Johanna. Yeah, Grace. Calvin Opoku Kusi, Bossu, Unit Committee Chairman. Overseas in Thermo Electoral Area. Our honorable Nini. Go back to the honorable. When your friend will say, Joyce or Sessibe, what a ponkosu? You say, when you're easy. And unit committee chairman, so Calvin Opoku Kusi, there's a district assembly birthday. So local government. Yeah, lead committee chairman. Mariam Jesse Chamatin, also standing Boakye Sompa FM. Yamatin Kwan. Yaw. One more badge and then you may. Thank you to MPP. Santa Region, one more bad and then you may. 10 you may 3 days. me na be din komo this year enyumre omo wo true vine
and then you
ai no be din komo true vine na e kira mat o me 3 days
oh come say
na omo say media no twisting sem ni bi videos bi so betucha etutoba ba ko o kan say Canada Japan tene warning na enkomodie na Canada ka chere say o say Canada per gestures mapa obi otimi share wo bra ne ade also nipa ko dia ko to say Canada tene warning afi kra de so pare ansa papa na no mi wa bibia ono na bi wa papa no su we Canada o say no ka chere say omunye no mu twitwa meetings no so na meeting ni bi on my chedodo SIM that was in command Canada ni di obi ku video no say o man warning no obi o ma warning no sabeto to obuze say Canada ka say hweye o ya obohu de mabobo bia
na bi so ne facial no the receive information no so
Japanese kasa
ma ne yet say as
as yet no but okay what the assembly to just say Ghana for hweye now man pedi your mama person ko second term. The reason why I called you guys, would you ever wake up to think say man pedi your mama person ko second term or say article 62 no also more demonstration on the faith against the suspension of the Chief Justice. Almost say, or not, say your mama wants to benefit. I don't think no pay or no any Chief Justice. Baba Intimin Kasa because or no na or sponsor no man. So virtually the executive is in control of both legislature and the judiciary. Now, Omo Intel say your mama will sponsor somebody to go for interpretation of Article 62. Says so I am penny now be there. 8-year term a boom. Who did 4 years? Na bibi tranketi now ba. I was say ma kwam out to 8 no. It is not sacrosanct. 4 years no. Udia another 4 years no and boom obeko elections. Okay, nti say 4 years no man penny so obeko for election 4 years. No lose wa. Now is a 4 year no di and a twem. E chese o kwan so betima ba for another 4 years. Na no so wa lose no a twem o atibida. It doesn't make sense to me, but in politics, nothing is impossible. Or Donald Trump had cancelled a person call another term.
Me say Donald Trump then American Constitution.
Or another term American.
Also, before we are man in quarter for the Constitution, the 8 years.
So what we say Donald Trump has some there.
Yeah, America.
Some might know who I was that. Sa Aquaro, me can you.
Yeah, also 9 we are 9 dear when the 18th a trim.
Na 9 first one no D and no so.
And no was no say 8.
I say 8.
Article 62 no say a year. 2 terms each 4 years. And another be say Intel or my say on my penny your mama around 2007. Of course, Supreme Court for interpretation. Now, quite to say, so the 4 years there, 2 terms, each term 4 years, no, 8 years. And also 2 the 4 now, you be 2 at Ashiagu.
Anopena make us and be Chirikukua, Anope say. What do you come no pay? Na ama me near me beer, Yana me drinking a hono.
I know so boy, and 4 p.m. or Bantama Pentecost. And 1 p.m. Now 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. And then 1 p.m. Or more
and then 1 o'clock.
And I'll be no see on Baby doing you, Bray. O Master Sano, I was afraid so my son. At 1 p.m. and on Baby do 1 p.m. or a Boakye Presby Church. Now 4 p.m. or Bantama Pentecost. Now, dear chair. Come yaw
akuta no pena me catch the kuku asehwe
e dey nkoma na medie
oni CID Clement Opoku Jemfi lawyer edi nkomo na awsase ne lawyer Ivan Samankwa edi nkomo na Clement Opoku Jemfi lawyer asaso esa back be cheche se ma me hu se akunta emra enyema nipa dasani
ane
emra nyema ye de ye ma ye pa ya ntoa so ekesumankwa hene kebe mana e busy de bia akuta say oh misro
nana jabo
na Brian okuja osu so ombejeje akuta
de ten say emra now ne lawyer Evans Amankwedi nkomo kaze was the case na mu no so say the case
was the case ka yenyanka
wazem mi wa asem no so say see aboato agu so hu lawyer Clement Opoku Jamfi CID so no eba be kirem man ono so no edi bem ne stance but ningina ya konta mrakro no o
the same law
and
so your issue is the law has two sides.
Yes.
Depending on where you are standing.
Baby, I mean, Gina, ne send you Messi Hunafa. And I near Santi Abu Gina.
If he hopes on the judge.
Mo.
Nebo.
Now, could I get this? Judge to Gina. Marco side.
Bosom and a book.
Now, the bonnet and the way side. And I mean, it's an to them. So, again, Donald Trump and drunk Casans, the woman in America for say, me, Emrane say, 8 years a boom. Then 8 years, yeah. Maybe half.
I say this advisedly.
Yes.
And I'm cautious. Even if say my penny, I don't know. Now it's a 4 years old and a chemwana.
And I mean, say,
now it's a fear now we know.
You better come
automatic so be battle. It is a odin fear now we know Konagana food tuna. That's the obedience to a chem. It's no say,
Etiakuta me say mra na nya madasani
but I'll be surprised and I'll be the most shocked person on earth if Omanhene Yaw mama obi kura be come na say because the moment anybody takes this thing up no sponsor
obi obe decide say or test samra we bia no na just say ade no ayeka
that's Omanhene Yaw
ayeka no ayeka any kwan say about bia trim any kwan so bia
we have seen wars.
Yes.
We have seen chaos in countries.
Yes.
That's how I tell a far kwa ye bi no.
Everyone on every coast every coast bio. Almost time bomb so na explode here one year.
There are certain regions that they are controlled by rebel leaders.
So
I don't think
I'm with you.
I said the 1992 constitution. Was it Article 66 of the 1992 constitution says categorically that elected president can only serve 2 terms, with a term being a period of 4 years. Now 62 no A no 66 A no say 1A. A person elected as president shall, subject to clause 3 of this article, hold office for a term of 4 years, beginning from the date on which he is sworn in as president. Now 2A so say a person shall not be elected to hold office as president of Ghana for more than 2 terms. Sabi emra we that way
ambiguity woman there.
And you know me and I was back home say me
so see 8 years 2 terms. 2 terms.
No, the 2 terms
a term of 4 years.
A term of 4 years. You go for elections. When you lose, ultimately Omanhene Yaw mama akọ another term because a term of 4 years.
Na 6 months ne 3 months.
6 months. There is a law. I've forgotten the constitution says say Tamils Ocha just 2 years. And Omanhene Yaw mama ebe 2 years. It will be deemed as a term.
Okay, not just a president no any
Omanhene Yaw mama
tafa.
President Mills try 2 years. 3 years.
Yes, 3
the final year no BBC year. So Omanhene Yaw Mills so 2011. Enanka yera
kodi mfie mienu akonya no so no ofiri.
Ena Omanhene Yaw mama
ebeto
aso. Yeso ani ina. Omanhene Yaw mama ntimi mabio.
Enkodi ye be fa.
It is deemed that the 2 years no is deemed as a term. But don't say me sure.
Now we are on my same 2 years no so a. Ne say BBC a. Omanhene no which is deemed say ayiba kotopa foforo. 6 months you
Obama president
na say amuru
na say otena akonya no so 1 year na say nuru 2 years ya na ofiri mu a
e ba ko to aba
yeah man vice president
it is deemed say on chat term nwie just onya mfie mienu na Omanhene Mills na mfie mienu
na ko mfie mienu dem bere
emremu no it is deemed say watcha say 2 years no so Yera Mills owu 2011 e ko Omanhene Yaw mama ntimi nyina bio.
Okay.
Ka wadi 1 term asato an term no so. The framers of the constitution had their reason to
do it.
Oh, the judge I was for you, Musia.
I don't want to believe,
say, is alleged.
But yeah, and Twana Yabomania Brenner, Bako do one. Hosi Bako, there be a Sompa Bako, and I don't bet you to be a view of
Blue label black, yes, and Aranum, and you have Brema Brochensa, Munias and Ding,
I will avoid Musia, I don't do it.